Linear data representation. You are going to present your data collected for your boss. So you need to make a presentation. Okay, present people to see your data. Uh, in order they can do make the decision. Okay, or just to make an influence or to do the prediction what is meaning the future what is the outcome in the nearly next future. Okay, this is prediction. So what is meaning you are going to learn how to repeat, huh? So we are going to choose which one is the data representation is very suitable to present for people need it。也就是说现在我们有这个 data 了我们一定要要选一个其中一个方式来 present 哈，彰显出来表态出来它的有什么区别，有什么可以做 comparing 可以做比较。然后你可以做 influence 做决定或者做预测未来是怎样的情况 ，OK，所以说这个是 data representation 哈，就是哪一个比较重要？我们最重要我们就 understand 哈，我们就是用 graphical 啦，就是用画啦，we are going to present data graphically，OK，这些。We are going to present data graphically for easier to read and understand. OK，我们通常是用画图来graphic 来表达你的数据哈。OK，然后你一定要选到最好方式，哪一个方式最重要？data 哈。OK，我们这边有讲到这比较详细的学到有5种哈very not very very detailed 啦，but already introduce 5 types of representation. One is a bar chart. This one we call it a bar chart. Okay, what is a bar chart here? You can see. Okay, bar chart is going to there is a type of data representation. Present the data by using bar 一条条线的一条条 maybe the horizontal bar or vertical bar 可能水平 bar 哈或者直的哈垂直的哈 OK we have two types here maybe有compound bar chart compound 有两个藏起来了 science 跟 math 一起藏起来然后你可以做比较compound bar chart 我们就是 compound 啦就是 single bar chart 啦 OK 一个个啦 OK 没有做只是这 number of students to what is activity during the leisure time reading watching TV surfing the internet exercising listening to the music something like this you can be the bar can be horizontally or vertically depending on the situation okay this one is comparing compound bar chart this one how do this one is going to use for comparison data for both category data or numerical data okay numerical data actually is discrete numerical data discrete okay this one bar chart is something like it's a circle divide several parts we call it a pie okay several parts okay divide into several parts sector lah we call it sector another in mathematics say sector in no common names is pie so we call this one is pie chart lah okay pie chart okay usually this one used for category data never or favor used for numerical data representation okay especially is going to present you in type of categorical data okay another one is a line graph you can see line you can see this one is line this one is going to compare the changes over the period of time this one is comparing the times especially for line graph twice changes over the times。OK，就是说在时间改变的时候，时间上什么改变，就是用这个 line graph。OK，画这个 line graph 通常是用这个 line graph 来看清楚有什么有什么改变OK，时间观念的改变时间上的改变时间上的改变有什么改变这个is this one line graph。dot plot this one dot plot actually is going to inverse. This one is dot plot show distribution data on a number line. Very common way to represent your data using a number line. You are going to do the dot 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 dot. One dot is represent one data okay. So your data is either clustered around certain really or spread. 因为这个你看一下它的有 data 有什么区别，有什么改变可以上下，OK。You can see you can see the cluster， 我们的 cluster around certain period， cluster 在哪里？23跟24那边之间 ，OK。If you refer to this dot plot here OK。So this one to help us to visualize data pattern. What is a pattern here? And you can draw the influence and make decision. OK， 做什么决定 ？influence， influence， 做什么结论？draw a influence 这什么结论 ？make decision 是做做什么决定？The block can also detect unusual observation。看有什么，好像有什么不寻常的东西，你看一下有什么不寻常的东西可以看到So this one the block is going to detect the unusual observation, unusual data unusual something like here. Why this one is extreme extremely different from the others. This one 70 minutes. This one duration of dental treatment, OK。为什么这个人这个 dental 这个 dentist 只是用了17分钟去推免一个那个病人不是病人去这样子只有17分钟，其余都要差不多要20多分钟因为 you can investigate, you can see the extreme value， 好像特别小或者特别大 ，you can see extreme value in the data. Okay, so if there is extreme data in the data, extreme value in the data, we may need to further investigate further to find out the causes of for the unusual observations. Okay, so this one observation. Okay, this one is the last one is number 5. You want to study, you need to make this one data presentation. You need to do this one. You need to draw this one Stand at left block is data distribution that spread the data value into stem and left according to their place value， 就是根据它的 stem 通常是它的 unit 10 digits or more than that The left is unit digit， 就是个位数在这边，10位数、100位数都是在这边，在 stem 这边 ，OK。所以说这个有 stem and left block 这个是10位数，这个是个位数32、40就40、50、52、56，这个40没有4没有，40这样都没有50、50、50、52、56、58、59。这个呢，60、63、63、64、67、69、69。This one is 71, 75, 75, 78. This one 82, 86, something like here. 82, 86. You can stand and left here. Okay, going to be here. You can see. So that is meaning. Then 2 is mean 32. 2 stroke 2. 3 stroke 2 is means 32 marks. Okay. Something is going to need to understand later on This one actually is going to easy for calculation because the raw data is still here. Okay, still here. Is the number is still here. can be, huh? But for this one is numerical data only lah. Okay, numerical data only. Category data cannot do for this type of analysis. Okay, to present your data, huh? This one is total about this one.